Advanced Orthomolecular Research AOR, CardioNOx, 30 vegetarian capsules. Product overview description. Supports healthy cardiovascular function. Vegan, non-GMO, gluten-free, advanced dietary supplement. GMP Manufacturing, quality assured, independent testing. Discussion. CardioNOx provides AOR's proprietary NOx formula paired with Coenzyme Q10. Extensive research demonstrates that Q10 and nitric oxide support the maintenance of healthy cardiovascular function and normal cellular energy production. Suggested use. Take 1 capsule 1 to 3 times daily with a fat-containing meal, or as directed by a qualified healthcare practitioner. Other ingredients. Microcrystalline cellulose, capsule, hypromellose and purified water. AOR guarantees that all ingredients have been declared on the label. Made without wheat, gluten, corn, nuts, peanuts, sesame seeds, sulfites, mustard, soy, dairy, eggs, fish, shellfish or any animal byproduct. Warnings. Do not use if seal under cap is broken. Store tightly sealed in a cool, dry place. Consult a healthcare practitioner prior to use if you are pregnant or lactating, taking medications, blood pressure medication, blood thinners, erectile dysfunction type products or any other nitrate-containing medications or supplements, or if you have any medical condition. Keep out of reach of children. Disclaimer. While iHerb strives to ensure the accuracy of its product images and information, some manufacturing changes to packaging and/or ingredients may be pending update on our site. Although items may occasionally ship with alternate packaging, freshness is always guaranteed. We recommend that you read labels, warnings and directions of all products before use and not rely solely on the information provided by iHerb.